There was once a man named Sun who lived in a small village. He had a simple life, worked at a grain shop, earned just enough to eat, and never asked for more. But one day, everything went wrong. A fire broke out in the shop. Everything was lost. The owner shut it down. Just like that, Sohan was jobless. He returned home with only 2 rupees in his pocket and one torn shoe. He had lost the other in the chaos. As he walked along the dusty road, hungry, hopeless, and barefoot on one side, he saw people staring at him, whispering. A group of kids laughed. "Look, he's wearing only one shoe. What a joke." Sohan sat under a tree, looked up at the sky and thought, "Why is this happening to me? Why is my life always full of loss?" He could have cried. He could have cursed. But he remembered something his father once told him. When life takes something from you, it's giving you space to grow something bigger. Look for it. So he looked around. Right next to the tree was a cobbler's cart, closed and abandoned, covered in dust. A sign said, "For sale, 300 rupees. Sohan had nothing, just one shoe. But he had time, and he had hands. That night, he took a risk. He cleaned the cart, sat beside it, and with a borrowed brush and a little cloth, he offered people shoe cleaning and repair for free. People laughed again. But one man, just one, said, "All right, fix mine." Sohan did it with such care, such perfection, that the man paid him 10 rupees. That was the beginning. Every day, he worked harder. He saved. He learned. He started repairing shoes, polishing, stitching. Soon, people came not to mock him, but because no one did it better. Years passed. Sohan now owned 3 cobbler shops in the nearby towns. He trained orphans to work with him. He gave jobs to the jobless. And every morning, he placed one worn-out shoe on the counter of his main shop, the same one he wore on the day he lost everything. People often asked, "Why keep that old shoe?" And he would smile and say, "Because that one missing shoe taught me the power of what I still had." Moral: don't cry over what's missing. Focus on what's left. Even one shoe can take you forward if your mind walks with hope. Positivity is not a reaction. It's your inner power. Use it when the world gives you nothing. Let's learn from the story. 1. Hopeless. Feeling or causing despair, having no expectation of success. Example: Sohan felt hopeless when he lost his job and had only one shoe left. 2. Whispering. Speaking very softly, often secretly. Example: people were whispering about Sohan as he walked with only one shoe. 3. Abandoned. Left behind or unused, deserted. Example: Sohan found an abandoned cobbler's cart near the tree. 4. Risk. The possibility of loss or danger. Example: Sohan took a risk by cleaning the cart and offering free service. 5. Mock. To laugh at or make fun of someone in a cruel way. Example: at first, people mocked Sohan for polishing shoes for free. 6. Perfection. The state of being perfect or doing something without mistakes. Example: Sohan repaired the shoe with such perfection that he earned his first rupee. 7. Determination. A strong will to do something even when it's difficult. Example: with determination, Sohan worked every day to build his business.